To create a travel video by combining your footage and an animated map video, we can use the CapCut application. In this tutorial, I'll be adding two footage. The first is in the car, and the second is in the train. Once both video footage has been inserted into the timeline, use the overlay feature from the menu. Then add an animated video map. To create a video like that, you can use the travel-based application. If you don't know how to make it, you can see the tutorial about Travel Boost that I made. Once the map animation video is inserted into the layer, select the video layer. Set video position. After that, select mask. In this tutorial, I'll be using split mode. If you want the video map area to appear faded at the bottom, drag down the arrow icon. On both footage, I'm going to pull it down a bit. When changing footage, I use mix mode as a transition. When making a map animation video in the travel-based application, try to adjust the duration of the footage. If the duration is a bit longer, we can use the split tool to separate the videos. And then, speed up the video by using the speed feature. You can add sound to serve as background music. If everything looks good, just export the project. And this is what the video looks like. That's how to make a travel video by combining footage and an animated video map using the CapCut application. And thanks for watching.